Yo, this is it. Got the two idlers down here to create this little capture 90-degree wraparound to keep the belt taut to the servo drive that's coming. And then that's locked down to these fixed points of the linear rail screw with the index of the angular contact bearing underneath on the block. And it just so happened, that is just pure luck, that exact angular contact bearing distance was perfectly inscribed to these four M5 bolt hole screws, the pattern for that block, which allowed a cool cinch point at each corner to hold that perfectly in alignment and concentric to the top half of the bearing. Simple loop around with some zip ties to hold on to the belt's fixed point. That slider is sliding. Same thing will be over here, although it's not on yet. With the idea now, as this is pulled taut and looped onto this bearing, so that bearing and that bearing would be fixed. The only thing left to move is the entire rail. So if I hold this with my elbow, and this is a 50-to-1 reduction, but as you spin that guy that way, that's probably hard to see, but the rail would move back and forth, and then the feet for the whole SimRig would be on top. So we have left and right action with a center drive servo. At least that's the plan. As always, this is just a prototype. It is going to fail. Don't know how yet, but it will be exciting. Later.